Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to replace your engine air filter. This is a simple maintenance task that can significantly improve your vehicle's performance and fuel economy. A clean filter ensures your engine breathes properly, preventing dirt from entering. You will need a new air filter, a Phillips head screwdriver, and perhaps a clean rag for this quick job. Now let's find that air filter. Pop open your hood and look for a large, usually black, plastic box near the engine. This is your air box. Most air boxes are secured with 4 to 6 metal clips around the perimeter. Simply unclip these. Some models might also have 1 or 2 small screws that need to be loosened or removed before you can lift the cover. With the clips unfastened, gently lift the airbox cover. You will see the old, rectangular air filter inside. Take a moment to observe how it sits in the box. This helps with installing the new one correctly. Now, carefully pull out the old filter. You will likely notice it's quite dirty, perhaps dark gray or brown, filled with leaves, dust, and other road debris. This indicates it's time for a change. Now for the easy part, installing your brand new air filter. Carefully place the fresh filter into the air box, making sure it sits perfectly flush and snug, just like the old one did. Once it's in place, lower the air box cover back down. Resecure all the metal clips and tighten any screws you removed earlier. Double-check everything is fastened, then close your vehicle's hood. You're all done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.